When I Love Lucy was dubbed into Spanish, did Desi Arnaz shout in English?
People born with the ability to fly would likely have atrophied legs and need crutches to walk.
In order to eat an elephant one bite at a time, you must first kill an elephant.
Fish and birds are not pets, they are prisoners.
Somewhere is a restaurant fork that has been in the most mouths.
Ironically, most people who are dumb enough to send nudes are too young to legally do so.
Many superheroes don't wear gloves, but nobody realized fingerprints could be used to discover their secret identities.
No one likes getting a hair in their food, but if you do, it's better to find a longer hair rather than a short hair.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Everyone is really skilled at texting and driving. Until they're not.
Everything made on a computer is pixel art. We only distinguish it when it's low resolution.
Buying clothes in a larger size doesn't cost more money, even though more material is used to make them.
Wikipedia is a compendium of all human knowledge that, while it is imperfect, too many people take for granted.
People don't get weirder as they get older, they just more openly lean into what they've always enjoyed.
The audacity of grapefruit to insinuate grapes aren't fruit.
Matt Groening wrote Fry to be the target audience of The Simpsons.
Lot of TV remotes will have useless buttons when streaming services shut down.
Heavier people are scientifically more attractive. They exert a higher gravitational pull on you.
Ventriloquists never have to be embarrassed while singing in their car. Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
It's considered a cheap shot to hit someone in the nuts, but it's also probably the easiest way to subdue someone who is attacking you without putting their life in any real danger.
Currently, people blame autocorrect. In the near future, they'll blame hallucinations.
The more depressed you get, the more people avoid you.
In the Toy Story universe, the Muppets probably sound and act different than they're portrayed on TV.
Airwick missed out on a great advertising opportunity with the release of the John Wick film franchise.
Handwritten assignments and in-person tests may become the norm again because of AI.
A city is a large maze where the residents living in it know the way in and out.
There is no Earthrise when standing on the surface of the moon.
I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you like the soothing background music and my calming voice, then check out my other podcast called Terra Vitae, a daily guided meditation podcast. Embark on tranquil journeys through diverse natural landscapes, exploring the serenity and healing power of the natural world. Search for Daily Guided Meditation and look for Terra Vitae, or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.